G'day, I'm Alister Christie for LearnDelphi.tv. So I have a question on Stack Overflow. It's this one here. In that there are some properties, well actually alignment and anchors on forms. And the question is, are these useful? And as far as I can tell, not particularly is the answer. So let's start a brand new VCL Forms application and throw two buttons and call this one write and this one client. And we'll need to declare that if dot align signed AL. In fact, why don't we do if if align the sign AL client if dot show, and we can run that, and we get forms aligned right, and we didn't hook up the other button. Let's do that briefly. So right and client, and we can resize them and what have you, close and minimize, and once that's done, I'm not quite sure how we get back to, but there's put a right one there, and oops, and so on. So that's more or less aligning full screen. The suggestion was that it is also possible to set the parent, so having forms within forms. So we do that and run that again, and we've got a form within a form, client and write, and so on. So we can kind of digress down. That's kind of interesting bug, but so anyway, forms within forms, and minimize and close and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not sure that is particularly useful. There is also anchors, which I might actually align that, anchor that to right and bottom. So that's now anchored to the bottom right hand corner, and within the form. So that's kind of, just demonstrating you can do forms within forms and fiddle with the alignment property. I'm not very sure if it's useful. If you have an interesting application for it, you can go to this question 128111640 and post a response, and hopefully we'll get some other interesting ideas as to how you can take advantage of those properties. I'll just finally mention, let's kill that and do a new FireMonkey application, and we'll notice that we don't have any alignment or anchor properties on the form that we do say if I throw a panel on there, I've got both anchors and alignment. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover for this video. I hope it was interesting, probably not useful, but thanks for taking the time to watch. I'm Alister Christie for LearnDelphi.tv.